Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, I am giving you a short review, very crisp to the point review of Sennheiser GSP 670. It is one of the top gaming headset prevailing in the current market. So without wasting any time, I'll take you to the top features of Sennheiser GSP 670. The first and the foremost feature of Sennheiser GSP 670 is the highest frequency. The highest frequency of Sennheiser GSP 670 is 23,000 Hz, whereas the available devices in the market carries around 21,000 highest frequency rate. Now very briefly, why this highest frequency matters a lot. The higher the high frequency response, the clearer and crispier the treble you get. Now let's discuss the lowest frequency of Sennheiser GSP 670. The lowest frequency is 10 Hz, whereas if you check the available market devices, they vary around 18-19 Hz. Now again, a brief explanation why this lowest frequency matters. The lower the low frequency response, the stronger and juicier the bass you get. Now moving on to the driver unit size. The driver unit size of Sennheiser GSP 670 is 50 mm, whereas the market available devices carries the driver unit size 45 mm. Now for those who don't know what is the driver unit is a component that used to produce sound in the device, whereas bigger driver units are more powerful and can produce better bass. Now moving on to the impedance of Sennheiser GSP 670. Impedance, first of all, I would like to explain you briefly. Impedance is the device electrical resistance to the current being pushed through it. So the impedance of Sennheiser GSP 670 is 28 ohms, whereas if you check the market devices, it varies around 31 to 32. So the lower the impedance, the easier it is to get higher volume and require less power. Now moving on to the sound pressure level. Sound pressure level of Sennheiser GSP 670 is 112 decibels per milliwatt, whereas if you check the market products, the sound pressure level varies around 106 to 107 decibels per milliwatt. The next feature we are discussing is the mic frequency. The lowest mic frequency of Sennheiser GSP 670 is 10 Hz, whereas the current prevailing market products carries the lowest mic frequency of 78 to 79 Hz, which is indeed a big difference.